In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your national insurance record and why it's really important to make sure that everything's in order. So let's get into it. Okay, so why is it important to make sure that your national insurance record is up to date? Well, mainly it's so that you can reach your state pension when you reach that minimum age. For every month that you do pay your national insurance, this helps fund things such as the NHS, the police, the fire service, etc. But it also gives you a state pension for when you retire. Now, sometimes you may have some breaks in your work, or maybe you work for yourself and you forget to pay your national insurance. And what this does is actually create gaps in your national insurance record. And basically, to receive your state pension, you require what is called a minimum amount of full qualifying years on your record. So with that said, how do you actually check your record? Well, it's really simple, and I'm going to use myself as an example. All you need to do is head over to Google and search check national insurance record. This is going to bring up lots of results, but the one you're going to want to click on is this one right here, which is usually the top one from the government, which is called check your national insurance record. From here, it's going to bring up this screen, and once you've clicked start now, it's going to ask you to sign in using your government gateway ID. Now, if you haven't got one, just create one, but once you are signed in and gone through the two-factor authentication process, you will be presented with your state pension summary page. As you can see, it's saying when I'll get mine and the painful forecast on what it will roughly be. Now, to check your actual record to find those gaps that we were talking about, what you would need to do is actually scroll down here where you can see where it says view your national insurance record. And basically this will bring up a record of all the years since you've been eligible and whether or not you have paid a full year or not. As you can see, in recent times, my one has been pretty good, but if we go down to 2013 to 2014 and a couple others, it actually says the year is not full, but when I go and click onto it and let's go top it up, it's telling me it's actually too late to pay for, as you can usually only go back and pay up to 6 years. So obviously this is really bad for me and something that you shouldn't be doing, but this is exactly why this is so important to be able to do this, is so that you can check this all the time to make sure that you are always up to date. Now, if you do have some gaps on yours and you are eligible to top some of those years up, this is what it should look like. If you can make those up, there will be a green button saying view payable gaps on your page, which you can then obviously go to and top up. But that's essentially how to check your national insurance record, to look for those gaps and actually see how much you'll roughly get when you reach that retirement age. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.